What up, YouTube? It's Mama Lano BS back in again with another video. This is going to be just a this is gonna be just a quick little unboxing video. I already went ahead and opened the box to save less of a time. But basically, I bought the I'll show you guys what it is. I still haven't seen the switch, but I bought the 454 fog light switch. I got it from Lightz. I don't know if you guys know about him or not, but Lightz is like this company that like makes headlights, and he makes like OBS headlights. He makes OBS headlights with the beam and stuff. Like the beam goes like that or like that. Either or, as long as it tries. Okay, so I bought the switch for like I want to say like $300, but he included the whole harness and everything. My truck already has a fog light switch, but it's this one from Amazon. This is like I'm not gonna say it's the original one because I doubt they still make them, but it's identical to it. Or hold on, guys, let me put the camera down. Let me try to do it. Oh, okay, I just seen the switch right now. I should look sick. Okay. So here's the harness. It's cool. It's like if it could focus. You see that? How it's like shiny. I don't know how I could like explain this material, but I know this. I know the material. Okay, so this is the relay. Big ass shit. These are the plugs that's gonna go connected to it. But I'm pretty sure because on his pictures, one of them say option, but I think all this shit goes together now. I know one of them said option. I don't know, I'll figure it out later. But let me show you guys the switch right here. Look. So when I had ordered it, it did take 4 weeks to make. I live in San Bernardino. He's located somewhere in Houston, Texas. So it took, I want to say it took like 5 weeks. It took 4 weeks to make, and then he didn't ship it out till Monday. No biggie. But look, pick up focus. Focus, bitch. I don't know. I never had one. I never seen one of these in person, nor like had one of these in my hand. So I really don't know what it is that I'm actually looking for. But other than that, hold on, you guys. Let me see. Yeah, I'm doing this with one hand. Can't find my tripod. Fuck. Oh, you guys could kind of see it. I don't know how much it. Oh, right there. Look. See? Fog lamps come like this with this connector. The guy said. Okay, yeah, the guy said that. Hold on, you guys. Give me option available ground. Okay, I don't know what the fuck's that for. Okay, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna. I thought he was gonna include like some type of like manual for this, so I guess I'll have to reach out to him and see if he can help me out. But anyways, I believe I paid like $300 for this. He does also sell just the switch alone. He sells just the switch alone with this. This is the pigtail cable he's talking about. So he'll sell just this alone for $150. when I had asked him about it, I had asked him if he could send me pictures of it, and he didn't want to send me pictures of it. Maybe because he thought, I don't know, bro. I don't know. He didn't want to send me pictures of it, because I wanted to see if I could reuse my old harness. And now that I'm thinking about it, I can't, because how I have mine hooked, well, my switch hooked up to my fog lights harness, it's like 3 of these cables right here. It's like three of these ones that go connected to the switch. So there's a white one. There's a white one. You're grounding and you're positive. And this one has like actual wires connected to it, and it goes off to one of these, and then a ground. But this one says option ground. So this one will go connected. Yeah, guys, see, I don't know. I really don't know. It's a lot of fucking cables, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. But I just wanted to show you guys the switch, the fog light switch. I don't know, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this this fog light switch with the whole kit basically. I paid $300 for it. It took 4 weeks to make, but I didn't receive it till like the 5th week, or 4 weeks and a half, I'll say. This is a big ass relay, bro. Look at my hand. Cables are thick as fuck too. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna like loosen all the, cause it's wrapped in this shit. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen all that. Not in this video though. I'm gonna do that some other time. But this was just a quick unboxing video. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make a video on how to install it on the truck though. I don't know when. I'm gonna probably make another video regarding the OBS, like a quick update video, and then after that video I'll probably have the freaking fog light switch, how to install it and everything, because I did break my fog lights, but that's for a story I'll tell you guys later. But other than that, this was Mama Malone OBS. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. You know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. We almost getting there. You know, you already know, for 454 clone. Okay, my cook. Alright, peace out.
En una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado, seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como en mi estilo.